How to fix blank window issue when opening Bitdefender. After the installation process is complete, you are required to sign into a Bitdefender account in order to activate the product. The sign-in page requires the Internet Explorer 10 version or above in order to be displayed properly. If you have an older Internet Explorer version, the page will not load, displaying a blank, white window. To fix this issue and activate your product on Windows, upgrade Internet Explorer as follows. 1. Access https://www.microsoft.com/n-a/download/details.aspx?ID =$409002. 2. Click download and save the file. 3. Run the downloaded file. The installation of the new Internet Explorer version will begin. Note, upgrading your Internet Explorer will not be possible if the Windows Update service is disabled. You can temporarily enable it in order to allow the installation as follows. Go to Start, and type services.msc. In the search bar, then hit Enter. Scroll down in the list of services and double-click the Windows Update entry. In the Startup Type drop-down list, select Manual and apply the changes. Restart your system for the changes to take effect, and retry installing the downloaded file. After the installation is complete, you can undo the startup type of the Windows Update service by going back and selecting Disabled. 4. Restart your system after installing the Internet Explorer update, then bring up Bitdefender and sign into your Bitdefender Central account to activate your product.